Thank you. Just want to hit Mattel earnings also out on the tape. Looks like it was a beat on the earnings per share, 11 cents a share, estimates for a penny, but a sales miss at $1.47 billion versus the $1.5 billion estimated, a decline of 3% sales for North America, a decline in international. So this is a company that is focused on profitability and improving margins, which they were able to successfully do, but still have a sales problem with weakness in places like infant with Fisher-Price and other parts of the business. We're going to continue to go through that one for you. This was supposed to be a turnaround story, Stephanie. It's taken a long time to get there. You have the newish CEO, Ynon Kreiz, who came in and wanted to do movie deals and sell IP rights. But when it comes down to it, Mattel is a manufacturing company. Absolutely. And so they've had to do things like sell off factories, compared to Hasbro, which does not manufacture most of its products like Mattel does, and that's where some of the problems lie.
Right. I mean, it's old school and it's mismanaged at the same time. So, I mean, that's a really bad combination. You have no confidence in the E, so the stock could look attractive on a trough valuation and earnings power story, but I don't really have a lot of confidence in terms of where they're going to get that E from, because the top line is so constrained. So this is not one that I am involved in, nor would I be.
It's funny. I mean, management matters. We always know that. Yes. But if you take a look at a 10-year or go back 20 years, I can remember, of course, when Mattel made a bid to try to acquire Hasbro. Yeah. They were prevented from doing so. In part, antitrust came into the... But Mattel was far larger than Hasbro. You put the two together over 10 years now, and obviously Hasbro is 3 times the size.
Yeah, exactly. It's amazing. And by the way, right now, I doubt you'd actually have any real resistance on an antitrust front.
No, that would be right, given the change and how it's changed
well,
so much
also,
in terms of market share.
It wasn't the hottest quarter for toys. I mean, we had a pretty early tell. Target, for instance, warning on the toy business, and a few others. So clearly that's being backed up.
Well, and if you miss fourth quarter, it's kind of a long stretch before you can make it up.
Well, you also
the toy business, given the seasonality.
You also had Toys R Us bankruptcy a year ago, right? So that makes the comps very difficult as well.